Hi, my name is Jamie and I am here to talk to you about Seneca Savings product, My Credit Sense. My Credit Sense is available within our app. It is located in the lower bottom corner where you would click on My Credit Score to get started. That is also where you will continue to click if you need to go in there after first downloading it. My Credit Sense will email you every week and tell you that you have an updated score. At any time, you can also click in there and say, I want to get my new score today. It will only refresh once a day. My Credit Sense can help somebody to monitor their credit, to continue to improve their credit, or just so that they have the knowledge to say, I know what my credit score is today. My Credit Sense offers a simulation tool to our customers. This tool will say to them, I want my credit score to be an 800. Today it is a 600. These are the steps I need to take. So it may guide them to make extra payments, to increase the amount of open credit they have, to decrease the amount of open credit they have. Each person's journey is completely individualized to them. There is also a summary tab in there, which will give them a review of their credit. So this may say you have 10 open accounts, this is how much each one is. However, the customer may look at that and say, you know what, this is not mine. This is where we can help them to file disputes with the credit bureaus right from within their My Credit Sense portion of the app. They can also review the summary of their open accounts versus what the grading is. So our grade may say you have a grade A in payments, but a grade C in amount of used credit. So you always want to work towards having a grade A. You may use this portion to go through and see what you need to do to improve. Sometimes you don't need to do anything to improve, and sometimes you need to do a lot to improve. At the top portion of the app where you'll see your credit score, there's also recommendations for new products. These are not pre-qualifications, but recommendations based on what your credit is now, or what your customer's credit is even better. So say you need a car loan because you're paying 12%, but Seneca Savings is offering 2.45. That's going to show up as a recommendation for you. If you already have a mortgage with Seneca Savings, that's not necessarily going to show up as your next recommendation. We want our customers to use this. We also may pull lead lists out of My Credit Sense. So we may go in there into the analytics version of the tool, and we may say, what are all of our customers who have a 700 credit score or above and are paying more than 8% in mortgage interest rate? It will give us a list of those customers, and then we may reach right out to them and say, hey, have you thought about refinancing? Or is there a reason you're doing this? We can help you save some money. It's a great tool for help for our customers.